Okay, so stepping inside, you can see that there's nice hardwood floors. You do have one of the bedrooms, 1 out of 3 bedrooms here in the front of the house. It does have a nice size walk-in closet. And then you have your other bedroom to the right-hand side. Double closets, nice size. And then your bathroom with the tub. All right, and then you go to the back left, and that is where your master bedroom is. But you have a beautiful open area here for your entertainment. Lots of lighting with all the patio doors going out to the heated pool. Master bath. Again, you have sliders going out onto the deck. Beautiful. Lots of lighting, double sink, walk-in shower, and then you have a linen closet as well. You also have another closet in the water closet area. And what I love about this property is that there's 7 different kinds of fruit trees out back. And you are, like I said, you're on over an acre, 1.17. So it really is just so beautiful. And then you do have another shed here, but you also have a detached 2-car garage that was added as well. So look at that backyard. Isn't that just so beautiful? It's really pretty. Nice back deck. And then you have your kitchen. And then your laundry room, which does go down into a bonus room. So they did add this room, converted the garage to this bonus room, have a fireplace. Lots of room here. You have your storage closet and another game closet here. And then you do have a back door also to your backyard, into your pool and or just the backyard oasis. Whoop, so private. And then just to show you where the garage is. Yep, so look at this yard. All right, nice sized pool. So, come on by, come see me, ask your realtor to show you this home. Again, it's in Sarasota, right off of Fruitville and Honore. So it's a great location to downtown, to Siesta Key, to all the shops. So don't miss out. Okay.